Hi, my name is Josh, also known as Yoshi Bear J. I'm a digital marketer, and in this video, I'm going to be showing you a way to get better quality leads and also to make sure that the leads, the people that are giving you their contact information in your lead generation ads are not forgetting your business when you do eventually contact them, because that is a very big problem with lead generation. A lot of people will say that, hey, I got the information, then my company then reached out to them, and then the person said, I don't remember you. Why are you contacting me? I'm gonna show you a way where you get better quality leads and you make sure that you can formulate a really good initial relationship with the potential lead so you have a higher chance of converting them later when you do contact them. And I'll show you in this video. But as you know, I don't waste no time. Let's get into the video. I'm gonna show you a way to ensure that you get better quality leads coming through. Because a lot of the times when you're doing any sort of Facebook ads for lead generation, so say you're trying to get some more people through to sign in, to put in their details on your instant forms, and all that good stuff. The issue with that sometimes is that they may forget. So if you send them an email or you reach out to them, what you may find is that the customer or the lead will say, oh, I don't remember giving my details to you. Why are you contacting me? What's going on? And the thing about lead generation, it's really about building that relationship. You obviously get a lead, but you build that relationship in a very quick and efficient way. So it reduces the likelihood of that potential lead or potential customer forgetting about you and your business, and also reduces the chances of them moving on to someone else or moving on before they've done business with you. So I'm going to show you a way to make sure that you get higher quality leads coming through, and also to make sure that the lead remembers who you are when you reach out to them. Yeah. So I'm going to show you. As you can see, I'm going to go back here. As you can see, this is the infamous dummy ad account where I basically show you the examples and all that good stuff. So what you want to do is you want to click create right here. Then you want to select leads. As you can see here, you've got instant forms, you've got Messenger and Instagram, you've got conversions, calls, all that. Then you want to click continue. Do not choose recommended settings. You want to select manual leads campaign right here. Then once you've done, you want to click continue. Now, once you've clicked continue, you're going to be at the campaign level. So you're going to have all this cool stuff right here. So buying type auction, I always do it as auction. Leads, as we've already chosen, that's the campaign objective that we want to do here. And then, as you guys know, I always, for the sake of the video, I always choose advantage campaign budget. And here is where I'll put in the budget of 20 pounds a day, just as an example. Then once you're done, all you got to do is click next on the bottom right-hand corner of your screen. Now, once you've done that, you want to make sure that you select instant forms. The only way this is going to work to ensure that you get higher quality leads and to make sure that the lead doesn't forget you or your business and remembers you, you want to select instant forms for this one. Yeah. And you later on in the videos, you're going to see why I choose this. You want to select instant forms. Then you're going to scroll down, and then you want to select maximum number of conversion leads. We'll try to show you as people that are most likely to convert after sharing their contact information with you. There we go. If you do maximum number of leads, this is where the quality is always going to be an issue, but I would rather have to deal with less of quality, less of having to deal with bad leads by choosing something that is more optimized to those leads actually converting and becoming an actual customer and giving your business money. So maximize number of conversion leads. Then you want to scroll down. And also another thing, guys, if some of you guys may not have this option, if you just have the maximum number of leads, that's fine. What I'm about to show you is still going to work fine. But if you do have this option, these two options here, when you choose performance goal, choose maximum number of conversion leads. So I just wanted to mention that. Then you scroll down and you go down here. So if you want to change your audience, or if you want to target a specific audience, you just click to switch to original audience and then select use original audience. Then you want to come down here, and here is where you can put in your interest targeting, choose the gender, the age, all that good stuff, the location, all that good stuff. Now, once you've done that, you're going to scroll down and you're going to see placements. You want to keep the placements the same. You don't want to touch that. Yeah. Then once you've done that, you want to select next. And guys, now you'll be at the ad level. Now, this is where we're going to create the instant form. This is where we're going to create the instant form where people can put in their details, their name, email, all that stuff, so you can collect their lead information, right? So we scroll down, and here in the ad media section, put in an image or video. It's totally up to you. Then as you scroll down, you're going to see this destination part here. Now, this is where you basically create your form. And then you just click create form right here. Also, guys, before I go on, if this is of help to you, feel free to like and subscribe. Also, I've got a Facebook ads program that shows you very tactical things that you could do in your Facebook ads, Instagram ads to help you get even more results. So go to the link in the description and check that out. So here we are given a number of different options for form types. So you got the more volume, you got the higher intent, you got the rich creative. So as you can see here, I'm going to select rich creative. Then what I'm going to do next is you want to put in the information. It now gives you other options to choose from to help you create a better image of your brand or business so that it's getting higher quality people going through your form funnel. So you can select how it works. So you can put in step 1 and basically show people how it works. So once they're given their information, you can just say step 1, now give us your information. Step 2, you do this, etc., etc. Then you can select products. You can show people your products, show people social proof and incentives. But guys, this ain't even the part where you really get to now get quality leads. It's further in the makeup of this form. So let's pretend you put in all the information in here. Call it great leads. Cool people all over the world, just as an example, right? Then once you've done that, you put in your information. If you want to put in your ad product, social proof, you can do all of that. Then you want to click next right here. And right here, you want to put in the information that you want from the lead. Is it email? Is it full name, number? What do you want? It's totally up to you. So you can put that in here. And already Facebook have already put in the options here, because by and large, the majority of the time, most people are going to be asking for the email and the name. That's it, right? Obviously, because there's a lot of SMS marketing going on right now, some people may even ask for email, name, and even the number as well. So they have different data points, different ways, different channels in order to reach the customer or the potential customer. Now, once you've done that, you selected the information that you want to get from the potential lead. All you got to do, again, you want to click next. And here you put in your disclaimer, privacy policy, etc., etc. Then right here, you click next again. Now, this is the part that is very important. This part is very important. Now, when people, the majority of people that do lead generation campaigns, they'll do instant forms, fill in the details, and then maybe send them to the website, right? But the thing is that it's quite a passive action. We're all busy. People will pick up their phone, put in a bunch of details in there. Sometimes the details may even not be real. They may be fake. So they'll put the details in there. And then they go to view website right here, and it's all passive. You don't interact with the customer. The customer maybe doesn't even remember you. It's all passive. So obviously it's going to be very easy for the customer to not remember the company that they just gave their details to, right? So what you want to do here, you want to make sure that instead of having go to website, you want to have them call business. Allow people to call your business instantly. So now, when people have given you their lead, given you their contact information, their email, etc., and now they can call your business. So at the end, it says, "Hey, thanks for giving us your details. If you have any further questions, call us." Now the intent is stronger. It's not passive anymore. It's not the customer just going over to some website somewhere. Now it's intentional. Now they're like, oh, wow, okay, I've just given them my details. Yeah, I do have one more question about this service or about this offering. And now you're talking to a real person on the phone. So when you're talking to them, there's a very high chance that they're going to remember your business when you reach out to them again to follow up. So this right here, when you put this information here for people to call you instantly, that will strengthen the relationship very quickly. Very, very quickly. Because the thing with lead generation is that you actually can't waste any time with getting through to the customer or contacting the customer. It almost has to be immediate. It almost has to be immediate. Why? Because we're surrounded with many distractions. There's loads of things happening. You know, people will give them their lead and then they won't remember. A few weeks later, they get a random call from someone that's saying, "Hey, you gave us your lead." And now that you have to be quick. Hence why instantly is a very key word here, because they've essentially come in, given the details, and they don't even go from cold to hot, cold to warm to hot. So you know how you got customers, they come in cold and then warm and then hot. They literally instantly go from cold to hot, because now they've just given you their details and now they are actually actively getting out their phone and calling you to ask a few questions. And then you can have your salesperson on the other side to answer those questions or even close them on the offer right there without having to wait on a longer time horizon. So guys, I would honestly suggest that if you want to get better quality, reduce the likelihood of people forgetting that they've given your details in the first place, you want to select this, put in the number of your business, and that's going to really help you in terms of closing the potential lead to buy your offering. So guys, I hope this really helped. As mentioned before, I have a Facebook ads program. The link is in the description. Check it out. I'm always updating it with the latest tactics, strategies, things that a lot of people don't even think about. That is helping a lot of business owners. So guys, click the link in the description and check that out. Also, as usual, I'll be coming back with more marketing tips and tricks to help you guys out. Take care.